birthday, dear Luca.
See, come on.
Happy birthday to you.
I want to do something for surprise. Keep going. Keep going. Look about now.
Wow, zeg.
And look at how I have this. What is this?
Wat deed je, Luca? Ja, Luca.
What's that? And you can drop it. No, I
But
will.
it's for you. Yeah, you.
Ja, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, sorry. Ja.
Are you present?
Kom maar in. Kom maar in.
It's a very big boy.
Wauw, zeg.
It's a very big boy. So much to play outside. Much to play outside. The cat.
Ja.
This is the ball. Then one watch. Then look at this.
Kom aan en open het, Maisie.
And yeah.
Alexa, lamp on.
Let's open it.
One for me.
No, I'm looking for it, Mama.
Oh, okay. What do you think this will be? Who's got it? Right, good, hasn't he? That is for you. Oh, help him. Ask him, can you help him?
You got basketball. For me? Now you get just a basketball, don't you? I found a bottle.
Wow.
Alright, Luca.
Mom?
You and Sonny can play it together.
No, I can't because I know how to play basketball.
Go and help with that one.
That is Dude's
Oh, yeah.
It's Dude's
Ja, van het van de...
Mom!
Got the pig for the back. Yay.
Look along! Is that my sword?
Oh, zie maar hoe, she got missed there. Yeah, keep it here. Come here. That's all right. Oh,
Mom?
Peppa Pig
Can you
Play
put
Doh.
this in his hand? That's a gummy, isn't it? A cool toy. Hooray! Yes, what?
Yeah.
What is this? Gummy. Can you help in this, Daddy? The one I started with.
Peppa Pig Coloring Book.
Didn't I have a rhyme on of them, Dad?
Yes, you did.
Mum, I had a rhyme on of them.
And then you got your some trackies. So, I want to ask you, who's got this one, Luca?
Me!
You got the same as Sonny. Look that bottom in clothes.
No. Where's your cards,
You got
bud?
some cards here, mate.
Go and open your cards. Don't do it or you'll break the ball.
Come on, here's your cards. Yeah, alright, open these
We're going
first.
to go out in a minute,
Quick,
bud.
quick, open these. Luca,
I'm to take one toy.
Okay, open
Yeah.
your cards then.
yeah, put it there. I'll open this. You open your cards.
Yeah.
Or should we open? Let's open your rocket.
Open
Do you want to help him do his cards? No. Done. What is it? Sonny, look at his card.
It says, Luca, Mum, I gave the blue one of these to Matt. I gave the blue one
Did you?
to Matt.
Luke, did you see that?
Oh.
He's got more. That's good, that isn't it? Lovely. Got more cards, he's just not opening.
But I'm interested in the toys.
He was same as me, wasn't interested in the tracksuit or the cards.
I mean, there's two in there. I'd force in one of them. Got enough toys. Enough.
Let's go, dude.
Where's your other cards, Luca?
I know what the purple one is.
Go on, you open that one for him then.
It says to Luke, I hope you have a fantastic birthday, love Margie and Degs. Woo! And there's more cards there, Sonny.
Whoa, look at the purple. It's down on your head and then they fell.
You know, Maisie?
No, go away. Owie just slapped me. Oh, you slapped me.
Alright.
Look, it's so many.
Come on, you got more cards there. You're sitting on them. Pardon. Not interested.
Oh, God,
Sorry, the next bit.
On my way. On my way. On my way. Look at it. Heavy.
No.
Open them cards. Sonny.
He's not opening the cards, you open them.
No, we'll save that. Put it in the bath tomorrow.
No.
Yeah, we're going out for your birthday in a minute, bud. When you stay in Daddy's tomorrow, yeah?
Tomorrow. I'll put it in the bath tomorrow.
You know, Luca, did you lock it?